In this video, I will show you how to customize your Google Chrome homepage in your laptop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do is open up Google Chrome, and once you've done that, if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and on this menu that opens up, you want to come down and click onto settings, so just down towards the bottom, and once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto appearance. From here, what you can do is change the theme, so you can change Chrome colors, things like that. You can also customize your toolbar, and you can change the theme from light to dark if you want to. Also, if you scroll down a bit, you can change the font size, and you can also customize fonts as well. Now, another thing you can do from your settings is change the search engine. So if you come over to the menu on the left hand side, click on search engine, and you can change the default search engine to use in Google Chrome. Another thing you can do is choose what happens when you open up Google Chrome. So if you click onto on startup on the menu on the left hand side, you can choose to continue where you left off, which means it's going to save any open tabs when you next open Google Chrome, or you can set Google Chrome to open a specific page or set of pages. So for example, if you wanted to open up Google Chrome and directly open up YouTube or something like that, you can select this option and specify which website or websites you would want to automatically open. Now, once you've done that, what you can also do if you close out of your settings, and then if you come up and click the new tab button in the top left hand corner, once you've done that, if you look in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see this customize Chrome button. Give that a click, and that's going to open up a window on the right hand side. From here, you can also change the theme and between light and dark mode, as well as the colors. And if you click onto change theme, you can also upload your own images or use any of the themes provided by Chrome. You can see there's a few example images, but you've also got the option to go to the Chrome Web Store to find additional themes to further customize your Google Chrome homepage. So that's how to customize your Google Chrome homepage in your laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.